Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi Q3 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork to really give it that standout road appearance. As well, it's a part of the approved use range, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the Black Edition styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design, as well as the additional gloss black elements around the vehicle such as the window surrounds and also the front grille. Now looking towards the front of the vehicle, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find the Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-arm Audi Sport matte grey look alloys, and they do really complement the grey paint. To the side now, there is also that rear privacy glass which does keep the rear occupants in view and continues the black and grey theme. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the Q3, where we find up to 530 litres of storage capacity. There's a large amount for an SUV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a half leather interior with the cloth centres. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, as well as housing 2 extra cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes this Q3 perfect for family usage. Now moving into the front of the Q3, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the two-tone leather seats which have the cloth centres, the white stitching and the Audi Sports logo. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display which is featured at 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, it does allow access to telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching the video of this approved use Audi Q3 Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.